She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maznex here, and today I'm going to show you guys my finished beauty room, and I'm so happy about it. This was actually meant to take place a whole month ago, but so much happened in my life that I just needed some time to step away from keep doing this beauty room. But I've gotten to this place where I am so happy with it. The biggest reason why I decided to move this beauty room down here from my other room was because it was just so dark in that room. This room has this huge window and it gives me so much light, it gives me so much happiness. The whole room in general is just so bright, and I hope you guys enjoy this little video of me just putting this room together. So I'm gonna go over to voiceover mode and then I'm gonna show you guys a quick tour of this room. So the first thing we did was we started moving everything from this room. This room currently was Mazmi's bedroom. This is actually the dining room downstairs, which we actually use as a spare room. So because I was in love with the lighting in this room, I begged Mazmi if she would give this room to me, and she kindly did. So we started moving everything upstairs. Not everything, half of the stuff upstairs. So I was ready to get painting on one side of the wall, and this was quite a long process, but I just put my head down. It was actually quite therapeutic regarding what was going on in my life at this time. I think it was just such a nice moment for me to just put my head down and focus on something else. And then I had a complete little mental breakdown, but apart from that, this process was actually quite exciting for me. I do like painting, I do like doing up my room. We also took Mazmi's bed upstairs, and then I carried on painting some more because this is so exciting for me. Yeah, it's just loads of footage of me painting, guys, and my dad walked past. Wow, I'm just reviewing these videos and talking about it. This is actually, yeah. And I'm also having to do like double coats of these paints as well. And my sister was also working in the same room on that day because we were half coexisting. I was still filming upstairs and I was still doing up this room, and Mazmi was still working here. I also decided to paint the doors white because I am not about that ugly brown color. It's not even a nice brown. I had to do a double coat of that as well. My family were also so kind to help me bring down the Alex straws and the PAX system and just everything. Guys, I look really scary and gothic right now, but we managed to get the PAX system down, and that was so stressful. And we've also got all the drawers down, so I'm going to be putting all that on, and then it's basically done. So I've moved the door handle there because Jasmine Recommend actually came up with an amazing idea to put the PAX system against the door. So shut off this door and then only use that door as like a proper door. So that's what we're going to do now, but I just need Jasmine's help. I just feel like moving the PAX system against the door rather than that awkward bit of a wall just helped make the room so much bigger. I'm so happy I did that, and I'm so happy Jasmine came up with that idea. And then after Mazmi helped me with this, I just carried on putting all the drawers back in and then slowly organizing bits. This today, my brother was so sweet. I was very emotional this day for some reason. I really just was crying a lot. Took a lot of crying breaks today, but I managed to put everything back. Literally, guys, when I'm feeling low or down, my best thing to do is set myself some sort of target or goal to get something done. And especially with me, I really enjoy doing up rooms and stuff like that. So this was such a nice way to get my mind off things. And I also decided to put up the shelf, and when I finished doing that, I was really happy. The next day, I just had loads of little bits of cleaning up to do that I needed to get done. And this is like my daily life, just boxes, cleaning, putting stuff away constantly, and it never ends. Okay, good morning guys. The process of this room happening has been a bit halted, but I put these up yesterday and I'm going to do the same up here, and then I need to put the lights today, and I think I'm pretty much done with my beauty room, and then I'm going to show you guys around. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to my room tour. Come on in. I've got my brother filming again. Don't breathe too close because you'll hear you breathing, and you're shaking so much, Will. You're actually shaking so much. Don't hold it that tight, just relax, Are you nervous?
Yeah.
This is my beauty room. I am so happy with it, like I said earlier. So let's start off with this bit, which is the vanity, and it's very important. I decided to put this curtain here because I wanted to close it off for when I'm filming them. This is actually my filming setup, so I actually film like this right here with these lights, with this on my phone or on that camera, or like different gadgets, but I've been filming with my phone quite a lot, so I got this tripod. It bounces a bit, it's a bit annoying. So that's how I film. I also got my, I think you guys know about this tray situation. I keep all the mess on here and I don't let the mess go anywhere else. This is my filming mess and I'm not allowed to get it anywhere else. And if I start getting it everywhere else, it's my problem and I have to deal with it. And if it starts getting too messy that I can't work around it, I just put everything back and then I get the bits that I want to re-film with. So it does really help having this. Back to the vanity bit. So I put this curtain here to almost create a backdrop for that. Here I have got my straighteners here. I put these plants here. This is basically just laid out how it is because I had a bit of gap here, so I just slot some random stuff there and there. These are just new stuff that I've gotten, so I just put it there. Chrissy's got her drinking water fountain down there. We moved all this downstairs. You guys remember where this was. This is a bit messy here. I need to go clear out my jewelry section, but I've basically gone through my lip products and just, I have so much lip products, so this is my like lip area, I guess. And yeah, like just skincare, just everything's in here. If you guys want to see the full video for this, you guys can head to my other YouTube video, whereas I don't know why we're so yellow in that video, but we are, so you can watch a really yellow in-depth tour. This is my least favorite part of the room, which is my desk working area, only because this desk is so tiny and this chair is uncomfortable, but I'm working on that. We will be upgrading from this. I bought a really expensive printer for myself and I got myself a Valentine's Day card. It's really special. It says, "You are such a baddie and you know it," and then it's just like filled with really cute messages from me to me. Also bought myself a perfume, but it smells like granny, so I think I'm gonna give it to my mum. So I bought myself a really expensive printer. It's really expensive. This is my hard drive here. If you come over here, this is where I charge the camera battery for this camera. Over here, I've got my calendar for the month and I just put down everything that's happening. If I've got events, like deadline for YouTube videos, so I've got a YouTube video going up tomorrow, guys. This is my laptop, recycling bin, dirty makeup brushes, receipts for tax. Oh, I also cleaned this out, which is like now my office stuff, whereas before it was just messy. So I put all my paper and office stuff here. Got my pens and my USB cards and stuff like that in here. Got all my receipts and more like pieces of loose paper here. Okay, so over here I've got my big mirror. I really like this mirror and I put it at this angle so I could reflect back the room, and that's another reason why I put these curtains up, so it could just be really like clean in a way when I'm taking photos against this wall, and I think it just makes it look more grand in the space that I have and how I have to work with everything. So I put this mirror at an angle. I love the fact that I've got it right next to the window, so a lot of natural lighting comes in. Also, I've got this. When I had it upstairs, I just had shoes on it. Now I've integrated it with a bit of glasses, bit of lip gloss, alchemy pole, plants, basket, giveaway stuff that I need to give out, another plant. These are my new clothes that I recently got sent through from Pretty Little Things and ASOS, which I will be doing a try and haul for, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do a try and haul for Instagram or YouTube. I'm still thinking about it. Absolutely in love with these boots. I can't wait to wear it out. This is from ASOS and I'm so grateful that you guys sent me this. I'm so excited to try this out. I will leave the link for the boots below. Also, I have this like box here where I put like my extra makeup that I'm gonna put in the giveaway, and it's really full right now, so I need to do more giveaways. But when I get sent like extras from brands when I already have one, or there's something that I know it will go to a better home or will be good for a giveaway, I'll normally put it in that box, and then when I'm doing giveaways I just dig through and put it together, and then I do like giveaways. This used to be the door and we've closed it off, as you can see. And I think it's a really good thing that we did that. This door I actually need to paint white, but I don't really care for it too much right now because I feel like this has done quite a good job of hiding everything. And I also brought this down from upstairs where I just put like miscellaneous stuff, just extra stuff, because it's just a good storage section to have just here. Apart from that, I think we are done. Oh, I have a snake plant there. So excited. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that room tour, room put together sort of little vlog of this journey. I hope you guys feel more inspired like I do, because I feel so inspired in this room. I absolutely love it. The only little thing I would probably change about this room is the noise element, because there's a kitchen there, the hallway there, and the living room there, so I can hear everything happening. Apart from that, I am so happy. I am beyond grateful to get to this point in my life where I do have a studio like this. I could afford all the equipment, and yeah, like it's been a long time coming, but I'm happy. I am so happy with this beauty room. It is perfect in every way. I can't wait to like just create amazing content, but I will leave you guys the link below for what camera I use to film, what lighting I use, and just like the little stuff like my PAX System and stuff like that, because you guys always ask me where that's from. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next week if I can be on time and get a video up. But thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. That's next.